Have you ever wondered what secrets lie hidden within the walls of a forgotten home? For years, this abandoned house stood as a silent testament to decay, a forgotten relic swallowed by the countryside. Its cracked walls, shattered windows, and rusted gates whispered tales of neglect. Surrounded by an overgrown wilderness, it seemed destined to crumble into dust, a ghost of its former self, lost to the passage of time. But where some saw ruin, we saw potential, a diamond in the rough waiting to be unearthed. Our journey began at the threshold of the past. Pushing open the heavy, creaking wooden door was like stepping into another era. Sunlight pierced through the grime-caked windows, illuminating a scene of suspended decay. Dust motes danced in the golden beams, revealing a world untouched for decades. The air was thick with the scent of damp earth and decaying wood, a silent greeting from a house that had long been left to its own devices. This was more than just an old building, it was a time capsule, and we were about to turn the key. Inside, the extent of the disrepair was staggering. The interior was a chaotic landscape of destruction. Furniture, once cherished, lay in splintered heaps, cloaked in thick spiderwebs that spanned entire corners of the rooms. The floors were a treacherous mosaic of broken planks and gaping holes, while the walls bore the stains and scars of years of exposure to the elements. Every step was a careful negotiation with the fragile structure, a cautious exploration of a home that had surrendered to nature's relentless reclamation. But even amidst the ruin, a vision began to take shape. Armed with blueprints and a bold imagination, we started to dream. We looked past the debris and saw clean lines, open spaces, and modern elegance. A cinematic flicker of inspiration revealed what this house could become, a sanctuary of luxury and comfort. The tattered remains of the old living room dissolved into a vision of a sleek, contemporary space, filled with light and life. This was the moment the dream of restoration was truly born. The first step toward realizing this vision was an immense cleanup. Teams of dedicated workers descended upon the property, beginning the arduous task of clearing away the remnants of the past. Truckloads of debris, shattered wood, and accumulated trash were hauled away, stripping the house back to its essential structure. High-pressure washers were brought in, blasting away decades of dirt and grime from the walls and floors. With each layer of filth washed away, the home's original character began to re-emerge, like a buried treasure being slowly excavated. With a clean slate, the real construction could begin. A time-lapse of intense activity captured the home's rapid rebirth. Skilled hands worked tirelessly, mending the broken bones of the house. Crumbling walls were repaired and reinforced. New energy-efficient windows were installed, and the dilapidated roof was replaced with a sturdy, modern structure. Piece by piece, the house was not just being repaired, it was being reborn, stronger and more resilient than ever before. The interior transformation was where the magic truly happened. Elegant, wide-plank flooring was laid down, providing a warm and sophisticated foundation. The walls were painted in a palette of serene, contemporary colors, and stylish lighting fixtures were installed to cast a welcoming glow throughout the home. Finally, chic, comfortable furniture was carefully placed, turning empty rooms into inviting living spaces designed for modern life and timeless comfort. The heart of the home, the kitchen, was completely reimagined as a culinary masterpiece. Gleaming marble countertops, state-of-the-art appliances, and custom cabinetry created a space that was both beautiful and highly functional. Adjacent to it, the living room became a haven of relaxation, with large windows framing the landscape, plush sofas inviting you to unwind, and warm, ambient lighting setting a cozy mood for quiet evenings or lively gatherings. The transformation wasn't confined to the interior. Outside, the overgrown wilderness was tamed and sculpted into a beautifully landscaped garden. A new, smooth driveway was poured, leading up to the rejuvenated facade. Modern exterior lighting was installed to highlight the home's architectural features, and a fresh coat of paint gave the entire structure a crisp, polished finish, completing its metamorphosis from a forgotten ruin to a neighborhood gem. As the sun sets, a final breathtaking drone shot reveals the culmination of our efforts. The once abandoned house now stands as a beacon of modern luxury, its windows glowing with a warm, inviting light. The pristine garden, the clean lines, and the impeccable design all tell a story of renewal. This project was about more than just construction. It was about honoring the past while building a beautiful future. It proves that with vision and dedication, any forgotten place can be brought back to life, more spectacular than ever before.